Southern Rail Fan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Rail Fan, subscribe today.
Okie dokie, been a busy day on the clinch field this morning, but I've been on the phone with the insurance company all morning long. But I'm going to mosey over, I'm going to say but 6 more times. I'm going to mosey over to Moodytown to catch northbound M652, and it is pouring the rain. But I'm going to mosey over there and catch him anyway, so let's go. Sweet! And he's gonna go on up, and Blazin Hazen on M653 is in the hole up there waiting on him. I didn't realize this M652 was coming down. That'll be pretty cool. And if I'm not mistaken, Blazin Hazen will ease on down to Thermal and meet the northbound M652. So hopefully in between insurance calls, I'll be able to catch him too. Okie dokie. As that M652 went north, guess what was in the hole waiting on him at Marion? Southbound M653 with Blazin Hazen at the throttle. That'll bring some sunshine to a rainy day. Let's zip back over there and catch him.
Is that a Southern Rail Fan standing in the rain?
Yes, it is.
It was.
nothing makes you feel better than a good old wave and a smile. Thanks, Blazin Hazen. You have a safe trip, buddy. Okie dokie. We're gonna finish out the day with northbound M692. They must have had some real trouble coming up from Spartanburg. I think they recruited at Bostic, which is super duper odd. So sounds like it's a pretty good sized train. So again, to the Moodytown. Sweet. Okie dokie, pretty good day. Got a few, and we got Blazin Hazen. Boy, I needed that. These old insurance people. Check that out. My buddy Matthew came over to Moodytown the other day, him and his mom and dad, and look what they got me. Let me show you that. Check this out, a Clinchfield hat and a Norfolk and Southern, I keep saying Norfolk and Southern, it's Norfolk Southern cooling towel. Now you can get these wet or they can just regularly wick off, and it is super, super nice, and my wife has been on to me because I haven't been wearing the hat, but I want to keep it. I want to keep it. It is such a nice hat, and then it came from Matthew, and that means a whole lot to me. So it's got a little white divider in the back that kind of keeps it stiff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write his name and the date on that white inner lining in there. And that's going to go on my wall in my office. Matthew, thank you very, very much. It means a ton. I really appreciate it. Okie dokie, slip on over and check out Matthew's channel. That's Clinch Cross Productions. Again, thanks, buddy. Really appreciate that. I'll try to get back out trackside tomorrow. Here are the last couple of videos I've been saying, I'll see you tomorrow. And sometimes I haven't, sometimes I hadn't. But I'm going to try. We'll see you guys then.